we will be talking about adjectives. This is one of the part of speech. What are basically adjectives? Adjectives are the words that describe the qualities or states of being of nouns. What does it mean? It means that it describes the physical state of nouns. And they can also describe the quantity of nouns. For example, many cakes, few candies. Here, cake and candies are nouns, but what is modifying or what is describing noun is many and few. So, adjectives tell us the quality and quantity. This is quite simple. So, simply, we can say an adjective modifies a noun or pronoun. As I am teaching you the grammar in a multisensory way, so you have to memorize the color of the adjective. The color of adjective is blue, and its action is to put fist on your temple as shown in the picture. Let's see some examples. Anabia wore a beautiful hat on the party. Beautiful hat. Hat is a noun and beautiful is modifying or describing the noun. So beautiful is an adjective. Similarly, I love furry dogs. Dog is a noun and furry is describing the noun. So, furry is an adjective. My cake should have 15 candles. So, 15 candles. 15 is an adjective. What are the degrees of adjective? Absolute, comparative, and superlative. And what does they mean? Absolute adjectives are those adjectives which describe something in its own right. Means simply it describes the thing the way it is. For example, a pretty girl, a cool guy. Pretty is describing a noun, so it is an adjective. A cool guy, hair cool, that is in blue. As I told you, the color of an adjective is blue. The cool is an adjective. Comparative adjectives, as the name shows, that it makes a comparison between two or more things. For example, Anabia is prettier than Sana. Prettier. So, it is making a comparison between two or more things. It is a comparative adjective. Similarly, a cooler guy. The rules are quite simple. If you want to uh, make comparative adjectives from the absolute one, the rules are in this table. It is an infographic through which you can memorize these simple rules in a very effective way. What you have to do, you have to put the suffix er at the end of the absolute adjective to make it comparative adjective. For example, cool to cooler. But if you find the letter E at the end of the absolute adjective, then at the just put R to make it comparative. This is the rule for the one syllabic word. But if there are two syllables in a word, as in the word rigid, there are two syllables in it. What you have to do, you just have to put er at the end. But if you find y as in messy, it is a two-syllabic word and it is ending with Y, then you will put IER rather than putting ER. Three or more syllables. If a word is having three or more than three syllables, as in careless, then you can put more to make it comparative. But keep this thing in your mind that in two syllables word, sometimes we use more to make it comparative. For example, rigid to more rigid. This is also correct. Now, the superlative degree, it indicates that something has the highest degree of quality, the prettiest girl. Remember this thing that with the superlative adjective, we use the the as an article. We will not use a or an. The rules are almost similar to make the superlative degree from the absolute one, but rather than putting er, we will put est. If you find one syllable word as in cool, to make it superlative adjective, we will add est if the word is not ending with e. And if the word is ending with e, we will just put st. And in a two-syllabic word, add suffix est, but if the word is ending with y, then put iest. And sometimes we put most to make the superlative degree. For example, rigid to rigidest. It is the correct one, and we can also say most rigid. Messy to messiest. The word is ending with a Y, so we will put IEST rather than putting EST. Now, three or more syllables, we will put at, we will put most. For example, careless, the most careless. The we will put the definite article the with the superlative degree of adjective. If you want to learn more, then subscribe my channel and follow me on Facebook and Insta. Thank you.